Yeah, wholesaler. Ano, nagkalibangan ako. Kita wholesome.
Aktres na si Ellen Adarna ipinasilip sa publiko ang iilang larawan ng kanyang baby bump noong ipinagbubuntis pa lamang niya ang kanilang anak ng mister na si Derek Ramsey. Mula sa official Instagram account ng celebrity mommy na si Ellen Adarna ay proud at masaya nitong ibinahagi ang iilang larawan at videos ng kanyang pagbubuntis sa kanyang second baby. Sa mga larawan at videos na naibahagi ay makikita ang mga throwback pictures ng kanyang baby bump. Makikita din ang Kuya Elias na sweet at palaging nakahawak sa tiyan ng kanyang mommy Ellen. Tila pinapakinggan nga din ito ang heartbeat ng kanyang kapatid habang nasa tiyan pa nga lamang ito. Matatandaan na marami ang nasurpresa ng isa publiko ni Derek Ramsey kamakailan lamang ang tungkol sa panganganak ng kanyang misis na si Ellen Adarna. Mas pinili kasi ng mag-asawa na gawing private, peaceful at quiet ang pagbubuntis ni Ellen kaya naman marami ang nagulat ng nanganak ito. Narito panuorin natin ang iilang videos na naibahagi.
Yeah, wholesaler. Ano, nagkalibangan ako. Kita wholesome.
So much, so annoying.
The show, described as confident and broad in appeal, brought the iconic Burberry check back to the forefront, adorning saddlebags and tracksuits.
Anong ba't tingin siguradong one? Para masabi ko.
You're done?
Kuya Yasi? Brother? Do you love your little sister? Yes.
Talaga sana all na ano, ang sexy, mas magdaba pa ako sa kanya. Naka-diaper ka? Oh, may diaper ba yan? Just go. Palang hindi na mahalata. Okay.
For him so that he'll take a good nap. So I want to actually share a little trick with you that I've actually invented in my son's room to help make the blackout curtains even more effective. So I actually ended up buying a couple little magnet strips and using hot glue to adhere them to the edges of the curtain and the sides of my windowsill. This helps the curtain lay nice and flat to the window, preventing that extra sunlight from trickling in along the edges. And like I said, I know that this is very extra, but I personally find in a much darker room means much better sleep for my kids. Alright guys, that does it. That is some of their best, just like
Gangsta wife. I got you roses. You can't take my sweetness. Read the card.
No!
Read the card.
Oh!
Read the card.
Liana!
Read the card. Mrs. Ramsey. Go! Read it! Read it. Read it, Mrs. Wala. So slow. Hello.
What does it say here? You're giving me $1 billion?
You're selling me as your husband, so that's the winner. She's the one that's bought me.
I want $1 billion.
I want $1 billion too. You.
My God. So argue. There goes my billions.